I'm going to try to wrestle this on with these sticks. Rob has a tire machine, but it's outside buried in snow and we can't get it. I thought because this is a wider, bigger sidewall truck tire, this would probably be easier like it is with drag radials sometimes compared to low profile tires. But we're going to find out. Alright, so if you're the type, goddamn son of a bitch. If you're the type of viewer that enjoys suffering in the cold suffering combined, or any of the above, this video is going to be for you. Alright guys, so here's the deal. Normally I turn the heat off, but it's too cold for that. So this truck, the Sierra, as you all know, ones that have watched the channel before know this truck and its boringness, but it's my daily, and I really like old body style Chevrolets, so yeah. Ooh, ABS. So anyway, I like this truck and it's been having some problems lately. The front passenger tire has been going flat at a quicker rate than I like to fill up. They all leak because it's a used set of old Duratracks I bought for a previous old body style truck actually. And now that it's getting colder, like the last couple of days, it's really leaking. So I looked on Kijiji today and luckily enough, there's actually two of the same tires for sale, which is pretty good because you don't often just get two. And Duratracks are kind of a popular tire. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm going to strip club actually to meet the guy in the parking lot and buy the tires off him. 2 for 190 is what we negotiated to. I was going to buy new tires finally for this thing because I have these wheels, which we'll get to more about the separate wheels after. I kind of wasn't sure because I didn't know if I wanted to get a spacer or an aftermarket wheel or something, because these 33s do rub like quite a ways away from full lock. I did crank the front end up recently, 2.5 cranks. It's sitting higher than the rear now, but I know it's a pretty common thing with these old body style trucks that if you want to run the 33s, you have to do either the wheel or a spacer or deal with the rubbing, I guess. I also wasn't sure what kind of tires I wanted. I want 33s again because I feel like if I got anything smaller than a 33 on this thing at this point, it would really be sad and I wouldn't like it at all. So I have to do something with either the rubbing or fixing it. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the BFG KO2 or the Duratracks, which I have on here, another set of them. Maybe post in the comments if you've had experience. It seems to be split down the middle basically. People have good times on both tires. They're very similar. I've had both in the past. I actually haven't had the KO2, I've only had the KO1 or the KO in the past. So I'm gonna go grab these tires off the guy. I'm not gonna record them at all because that's weird, and then we'll catch up with you guys. Hi, large black coffee with 1 sugar, please. Yeah, that's all. So that guy was a lot nicer than a guy I would expect to meet in a strip club parking lot, but I mean, who am I to judge? So I got the tires. The tread looks actually pretty good, so not as big of a waste of money as I possibly thought this might have been. And now let's see if we can wrestle one of these things on. It's already 9. Rob's on vacation. He might be willing to stay up late. I'm always willing to stay up late, so we'll see what we can get done. All right, so here we are at RFG now. Rob's working on the GTO, which you'll see in another video.
What's up?
And here we are. Yeah, you guys haven't seen these yet. Here, I'll show you these tires first. So what we got here, boys and girl, is a Goodyear Duratrack 285/75/16 tire. It works out to about a 33 by 11.3 inches wide, from what I've read on the internet. This one I realized somewhere here on the other side, it actually must have caught some suspension on the vehicle it was on. I kind of pulled one of these apart a little bit. I don't think it'll leak, but that's also a problem like I was saying earlier in the video with my truck, so whatever. These will do. The guy really assured me they held air, so I feel good about that, because that, means anything. And now we're gonna try wrestling it on this wheel. The wheel you didn't see in the dark earlier is a new body style Chevrolet. This would be on a Silverado, I'm pretty sure, not a Sierra. But I have all 4 of these. I bought them off Clayton actually. Clayton needed some tires, they came on these wheels, he has a Ford. I have the center caps. I'm gonna like paint them and do stuff with them, but right now with this leaking tire situation, I need a fix now, so I'm just throwing it on as is. And the plan believe it or not, you guys, maybe you'll like this in the comments. I'm gonna put these two tires on one side of the truck with these different wheels, and then leave the old wheels, the old body style wheels on it on the one side with the one rear tire on the front. The two fronts currently on the truck, I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna sail on Kijiji for cheap, letting the person know that the one leaks. So this deal's gonna work out pretty good. This tire actually has less tread. This one has, it's hard to see with the snow. It has a decent amount of tread, more than, both these have more than any tread on the tires on the truck currently. I'm gonna try to wrestle this on with these sticks. Rob has a tire machine, but it's outside buried in snow and we can't get it. I thought because this is a wider, bigger, you know, bigger sidewall truck tire, this would probably be easier like it is with drag radials sometimes compared to low profile tires. But we're gonna find out. All right, putting tire on wheel, take one. We're actually gonna turn this over so it doesn't scratch the face. It's the one spot right here. Whoop, hello.
Yeah, but that's just on the thick part of the
yeah.
joint. That's
that shouldn't lose air, hopefully. But use tires for you.
No, well, like I said, you can't put it like that. You have to go like this. So that, and then you have to wedge it on there. Start from the beginning.
Here?
Well, yeah, like, and slowly pull it on, like in a bit. You know what I mean?
This might take a while.
Kind of have to like put your knees on it like that.
Yeah.
And then get the bars and then work it on. Put your weight on it like this. And take the bar like this.
Okay.
It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Yeah, like you put weight on that side so that it sort of stays.
There you go, guys. All by myself.
Now you just gotta do that same thing again. Now you gotta, no, what you wanna do now is...
I'm pulling it too far away.
Well, no. Like take one bar.
This is where we put our bead lock on.
And then use your feet to push it down. I put these wheels on these tires, like GTO ones like this, because I didn't even want to put them on a tire machine.
Very careful.
But you have to do it a lot more carefully to not scratch them. And just go like a little, you know, don't try to put the whole tire on in one shot. Boop.
Dang.
Whew. Oh, fun stuff.
One done. Rob did a lot of wrestling there, guys.
Yeah, I'm tired now.
Yeah. I gotta do the other one. I witnessed the technique a little bit while landing my dead weight, which I'm usually good at. Looks pretty good. I like these wheels. I had them on a new body style truck when I was like really young, and it was like a newer truck at the time. I took out a loan for it. I should have probably just kept that truck, not bought any hot rods, but here we are, putting Duratrax on old body style wheels. The camera died in the GoPro, or the battery died in the GoPro, so you saw the beginning of it, but after a little bit of time I figured out the methods that Rob was trying to convey to me and learned through doing. So that was fun, and I think that's the first time I've done that myself, probably. Yeah. I think I'm only going to put the one on the truck tonight. We'll do the full tire switcheroony, probably maybe in Clayton's garage would probably make sense rather than outside where it's like minus 30 Celsius right now.
That's a popper. This is the shit that we have to put up with living in the winter wonderland of Canada. Mike's out here changing his tire.
This is the cold and suffering I mentioned earlier.
And it's fucking freezing out here.
It's not too bad, actually. I have a jacket I was meant to wear too, but this is gonna be quick. After getting the actual tire on the wheel, this is a piece
Are those
of cake.
my mitts, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. When I came out here, I was going to grab my mitts because it's cold and my hands are cold, and Mike has them, so it's
Sorry.
good. That's okay.
Oh. So, come over here. Oh, you can see it.
You can see the white crap.
Because I actually put some tire slime in here at
See
first.
it, it's all cracked.
Yeah, and if you, in Clayton's garage, we noticed if you pressed here, it would leak. So I've been trying to park on the opposite side for like a week. And today it got a lot worse. I also did some alignment stuff when I was at Clayton's figuring this out. I didn't record that, but made some progress. The knockouts are out on this truck.
Oh yeah? That's good.
So
That makes it easier to...
alright, no more air compressor every day. Until the next used tire fails. Jack stopped working right now, that would not.
Huh?
Always use jack stand.
Yeah.
And that's about it. I wasn't going to film too much out here because it's going to kill the GoPro battery instantly.
Staying good so far. It's at 90%.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you guys know how to put a wheel on. So I'm going to go back inside where it's warm.
That's going to be it for tonight, but I'm going to finish this video up with the truck once I put on the other wheel and tire, which I'm going to do at Clayton's, probably on the weekend. Microphone out of the way. In the daylight, so you'll be able to see the new wheels and all their glory on the truck.
Be exciting.
Yeah, so we're gonna go there now. Alright, so as per typical Mike, I slept in today, didn't get to Clayton's. I said we were going to there to change the tires and do stuff, but
We weren't. I was already
Big
there.
surprise.
Already
He
there.
did. Big surprise.
Big
He didn't make it.
Slept
Yeah.
right through that.
yeah. What can I say? I ended up being up till 6 a.m. editing a video, which you're gonna be seeing tonight, which is Saturday, or tomorrow morning, which is Sunday, and you'll be seeing this probably on Monday or Tuesday. But anyways,
That's what he did. I
that's what
concur.
he did. Yeah. So now it's Saturday. Rebecca Black, Saturday. If you guys don't know, she put out a song called Saturday. It's like the after party to Friday. We were just watching it. It's what we do in our spare time. But instead of doing some tire stuff, we're gonna go inside and order some shit horse parts.
Clayton just said he was leaving.
Clayton's leaving.
Well, you guys
but
are ordering them.
we can do it.
Sure.
Clayton's gotta go. He's gotta go. But we're gonna do some shit horse ordering. He's gonna entrust us
Get
with the
the
Cheviness.
get the forged coated piston.
Yeah.
Not the
CP
hyper,
Carrillo,
not the
right?
hyper.
That's what the cool guys get.
Sure.
Not for the shit horse, but yeah, that should be interesting because we'll go over what we're getting and why we're getting it and stuff like that, and it'll be budget because you know
Because it's cheap. That's
shit
why we're
horse.
getting it.
I just want to get Clayton in the video since I didn't get to his house today. We'll be there soon with a familiar Mustang to join his
Next Wednesday.
his not changed, non-innovated Mustang,
This
as they
Wednesday.
call it on the internet.
This Wednesday.
Yeah, coming up, couple days. All right, so
Transport day.
we're gonna go inside and order things.
I don't even think you're gonna be able to see that though, will you?
Oh yeah. All right, so shit horse part ordering time. Yeah, this might not turn out the best, but you can see what we got here. Brand new set of 8 pistons, 6-liter GM genuine flat tops.
Cheap.
$169.99.
Yeah, pretty cheap for a full set of floating pistons, and they're the coated skirt ones and everything too, so they're that style.
Yeah, so that's the first item. With that, we'll be reusing the wrist pins from the 5.3 pistons.
Yeah, because these don't come with.
But that's all right,
And
probably.
then we got some rings.
Perfect circle.
Same ones we had in the 5.3, but
Rock
these
and
are for
roll
a
fans.
6-liter. And then head gaskets.
But before that,
Well, this is not for the shit horse though. This is for my truck. Just to make 2-step noises.
be popping.
It's on sale, so I figured what the heck, might as well buy it.
Yeah, LS9 head gaskets, because GM put days and years of research into making those good for boost. So they
Apparently,
gotta
yeah.
be good. Certified by the general.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's about it.
that's about it. So we'll order these up, and then when they get here, we'll start 6-liter things.
Yeah.
Well, we'll start 6-liter things before that, because we can go through the block, clean it, swap the cam and all that stuff over, and get ready for these pistons, and then put them on the 5.3 rods, which are the Gen 4 rods, and then we're either going to use the 5.3 crank or the 6-liter crank, because they're also the same. So we'll use whichever one is in better condition, I guess.
Yeah.
And all our rings and all our bearings and everything from the 5.3, as long as they're good, can be reused.
Should be good if it didn't starve of the oil
Yeah.
too badly.
So, and the oil pump and everything else will swap over, and the cylinder heads. And so this is all we need, and we'll have the 6-liter back.
The ultimate engine again.
Yeah.
The original 6-liter. It was a good engine before bent a rod twice. That's what happened with that one in the end.
Yep. That's what happens.
But that's what happens with junkyard engines when parts fail or tunes change or something happens. But yeah, so got that to look forward to, guys. The shit horse engine building. Again, master build, 6-liter version this time. And there's a doggy.
It's a dog on it, sort of.
Fuck off! So that's the end of this kind of mismatched video. Mismatched tires and wheels and pistons and parts.
Sure, yeah.
6-liter 5.3 stuff coming together.
Yep.
You think we should do the live streams in here, guys? Post in the comments. Lots of stuff to look at. It's indoors, you know. Yeah, it'd be more professional.
Yeah, sure.
We could have a table set up.
a desk.
We could do a bunch of lights and stuff. If we did that stuff in the garage, we'd always have to be like taking it down so you could work there again. But in here, we kind of leave it set up.
Yeah.
So yeah, post down in the comments about that. Post what you think about the shit horse engine. Other Mustang stuff coming too. Another shitty Stang that may be called Sonic is coming in the future very soon. Said that recently, but it's definitely a thing and it'll be happening. So look forward to that. Like, comment, subscribe, like always, all that YouTuber stuff, and we'll see you later.
Meet innovation. Money